Start by installing the square black gasket into the cavity using a small screwdriver to ensure that it is flat on the bottom. Next, lubricate the cavity with ISO grade 32 hydraulic fluid as specified in our catalog. Also, apply oil to the bottom of the work support cartridge. Install the white colored O-ring into the groove on the bottom of the work support. Then, install the work support into the cavity hand tight. Torque to specification using a 6-point socket and proper torque wrench. This concludes the basic steps on how to install Vektek cartridge mount spring and air advance work supports into a customer-made cavity. If you need further assistance, contact a Vektek customer support specialist at 800-992-0236.